Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to another question of Olympiad in which there are two exponent numbers. First number is 31 raised to the power 11 and the second one is the 17 raised to the power 14. So which is bigger in these two numbers? First of all, you can see the 31 raised to the power 11 and 17 raised to the power 14. So how to calculate this problem? For this problem you can compare this 31 and 17 by the smaller and the greater number just before and after. Okay, so first of all, the first number is the 31 raised to the power 11. Okay, if you compare the 31, this 31, you can see the 31 is always less than 32. 31 is always less than 32, and if the 31 less than 32, so obviously 31 raised to the power 11 is also less than 32 raised to the power 11. If you add the power both sides equally, 11 and 11, so 31 is less than 32 also, therefore 31 raised to the power 11 is also less than 32 raised to the power 11. And now 32. So can we write this 32 2 raised to the power 5? 2 raised to the power 5 is the 32. Okay, so it will be, we are using the exponent law, a raised to the power m whole power n. It will become a power m into n is the mn. So you can see 2 raised to the power 5 whole power 11. 5 into 11 is 55. And here is the 3 raised to the power 31 raised to the power 11 as it is. Okay, so we will consider this is the equation number 1. Now come to the next number. Next number is 17 raised to the power 14. Okay, now we will compare this 17 just after number or before number. So first of all, we will compare the before number. If you compare the 17 number, is just before number of the 17 number is the 16. 16 number, this 17 number is always greater than this 16 number. Okay, here we will compare just after number, and for 17 we will compare just before number. So before number of 17 is always less than this 17. So can we write this 17 power 14? If you add the power both the numbers, 17 power 14 and 16 power 14, so the result is also same. 17 raised to the power 14 is greater than 16 raised to the power 14. Okay, and now this 16 raised to the power 14, can we write this 16 2 in terms of 2 raised to the power 4 whole power 14. Now apply again this law, so it will be a 14 4 is the 56 and 17 raised to the power 14. Now this is the equation number 2. Now compare these two equations. If you compare the right hand side says 2 raised to the power 55, and here the right hand side is 2 raised to the power 56. So just see, do not do any thing in this two equation, just compare the right hand side. The right hand side you can see 2 raised to the power 55, and here the right hand side is 2 raised to the power 56. So which one is greater? 2 raised to the power 55, 2 raised to the power 56. Base are the same, so the power is 56 is greater than 55. So 2 raised to the power 56 is the greater than 2 raised to the power 55. So if this number is greater than, so obviously this number is greater than, and here you can see 17 raised to the power 14 is greater than this number, and you can see here this 2 raised to the power 55 is less than 31 raised to the power 11. So this from equation 1 and 2, the conclusion is that this number 31 raised to the power 11 is less than 17 raised to the power 14. So we can say 17 raised to the power 14 is greater than 31 raised to the power 11. Why it is? Because you can see this is the lesser than this number. So you can see it is lesser, so obviously it is also lesser. So we can say this one is greater than this number. So here you can see this number is the bigger number. So I hope you have understood this question, and if you like this video, like, share, subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you and thanks for watching.